A loaded truck carries a danger even when parked. The load can shift or fall at any moment. That's why we must not walk near the bottom of parked trucks. Always leave a safe distance. Negligence appears at unexpected moments. Equipment maintenance is everything. As an excavator passes, its tire bursts, and the flying pieces destroy the car. A small negligence can lead to a major disaster. Large laundry machines can be more dangerous than you think. As a worker is removing clothes, the garments suddenly get tangled around his arm. Never get this close to a rotating or moving machine. Always follow the correct procedure to stay safe. Fortunately, his coworkers rushed to help and rescue him. When throwing a load from a height, be aware of the dangers around you. Checking that no one is below is of vital importance. Blind spots can turn into a disaster in an instant. With a simple precaution, you can prevent an unexpected accident. Always be sure. Reverse maneuvers require the highest level of attention. When driving your car in reverse, don't forget to check for people behind you. A momentary inattention can lead to serious consequences. When going in reverse, be sure to check behind you as well as your mirrors. Let safety always be your priority. For more content, subscribe.